art and what is science in resume writing? See, I'm not going to talk about the sections, formulas, right, fonts, paper. These are the things that you know already. I want to talk about something that you don't know or that you should know. Fine. Okay. So this is what the title is. Okay. If we understand the root of the recruitment process, we'll be able to justify it easily. So what I've done over here is I've tried to explain to people the concept, how this business, how this placement works. If you look at this, company to on roll, this is the process. When any company needs people, what that company does, that company will refer to database that they have. Sometimes what happens that the people, when they are rejected or not shortlisted, right, they are there with them, so they keep it with them for future reference. So that is called database that they have with them, right? If that database is not enough to satisfy the requirement, they will go for advertisement, or if they're looking for freshers, they'll go for campus drives. There are companies, they go for different campus drives across India, right? Okay, first thing first is they'll ask for the resume. This is the first step. This is what we are looking for. This is the reason why I have gathered here. This is the reason why more than 25 people have joined me, right? Resume, how to prepare, how to design a resume. Fine, it is not resume, it is resume, right? Okay, I'll not make you bore by telling you what is the difference between CV and resume. It's a typical question. You go to Quora, Quora.com, you can go to Google and you can find it out. It is not our job. But resume is something which is the first step towards going for the job recruitment process. Now after that, when you are shortlisted, right, there will be an aptitude test. Fine. After aptitude test, you will be asked to sit for group discussion, right? Then there will be PI, that is called personal interview. Then there will be training, and then after training you will be on roll. This is the process, right? Okay, and now do you have any doubt with this process? This is by and large a common process where people are getting recruited. People are recruited in this way, right? So if it is clear with you people, we can go ahead. Should I move to the next one? I'll be asking you people because I need the live audience, right? Great. I'm happy that we have many. Okay. Now, when we talk about resume, right? What your resume should reflect, or what kind of people are recruited. So by and large, if you talk about it, there are 4 different types or 4 different criteria, right? 4 different pillars with which we find that people get recruited. Number 1, skills. Now the difference between skill, knowledge and wisdom. See, you should understand these 3, right? These 3 words, right? Number 1 is knowledge, number 2 is skill, number 3 is wisdom. What is the difference in these 3? Can anybody tell me? What is the difference between knowledge and skill and wisdom?
So I can
Please,
I try?
please.
Skill is something like knowledge is something we learn, and skill is something we apply after having that knowledge.
Very good. And what about wisdom?
I'm not that sure about how to explain. So
Okay,
sorry.
fine, nice. Okay, you should not be, right? You did well, right? It was nice effort. Okay, anybody else? Anybody else would like to try? Okay, Fine. See, whatever you know is knowledge in a simplest way. Whatever you can apply, right, that is skill. That means what to do is knowledge, how to do is a skill, and what not to do is wisdom. And what not to do is wisdom. Fine. Now I tell you that knowledge and wisdom, how it works. For example, my first question, a very silly question of kindergarten, right? That my daughter generally is asked a question, right? That is tomato a fruit or a vegetable? Is tomato a fruit or vegetable? I asked the question, is tomato a fruit or vegetable?
Vegetable.
Fruit, sir.
Fruit, okay. Some people say vegetable, right? Okay. When people are confused, that in that way we get the new ways, right, to understand, to learn things, right? Okay. So here I tell you that tomato is a fruit, is not vegetable. Mind it. You can Google it out. Now, tomato is a fruit and not a vegetable. That is a knowledge, but we cannot use it in fruit salad. That is wisdom. We should not use it in fruit salad. That is wisdom. Now you got the idea that what is the difference between knowledge, skill, and wisdom.
Wisdom.
Yeah, great. Okay. So not to do, right? Okay. Now capacity. If you have a capacity with you, right, you need to show it. If you cannot show your capacity, if you cannot work under pressure, in that way people will not take you. So you need to build that capacity, and that comes with, piece by piece, event by event. So if you participate in certain events, if you do not play Ranji trophies, if you do not play at state level or local level, you cannot directly go and play at international level. You need to learn that. So capacity building is important, right? Number 3 is little bit difficult: flexibility, adaptability, right? People are looking for the aspirants who are flexible. Fine. So when you show your attitude, I tell you that in my college, in my university, one student got rejected from Amazon. It was 15 lakh of package per annum. She got rejected because of only attitude. So if you are not flexible to change things, right, in that way, you cannot sustain in this field. And the last one is achiever. The world worships the winners. The world worships the winners. So if you are not a winner, there is no way. The first is first, second is nowhere. So you need to prove that if you are potential, but someday you will show, you will perform well, you will rock the show, you are a rock star. But what about that day? That day is not the part of weekdays. We have Sunday to Monday to Saturday. We don't have any that day. So you need to be achiever. You need to prove yourself, right? People may not believe in what you say, but people will definitely believe in what you do. So you need to be performer, right? So these 4 skills are required. If you have not done that, work on it, right? And definitely you will be picked up by the companies that you wish to. Fine. See here, why we are doing this kind of things? Because we don't want to be the choice of the company, we want to choose the company. The day you will understand the difference between these 2 sentences. I repeat, we do not want to be the choice of the company, we want to choose the company. Fine. So it is we who will select the company, we will not be selected by the company, right? This is the reason why we are doing this exercise, why we are met today, why we are doing these efforts, why your college is doing efforts. This is the reason. Okay, so we go ahead with next phase. Very quickly, we understand that what are the important parts of resume. I tell you very frankly, one of my students, right, has worked with Google in HR, and I could come to know that they have 6 seconds to 13 seconds to scan one resume. Just imagine 6 seconds to 13 seconds to scan one resume. You go with Microsoft, you go with TCS, you go with any company, right? You go with Oracle, right? You go with L&T. Any international company, they will have less than 1 minute time to scan, to read, to refer your resume. And we people are always found busy extending our resume into 2 pages. Why? Different types of fonts and designs and color and all this nonsense things that we do, right, to impress people, which is not there, right? See, less is more, mind it. So what exactly we need to add in terms of information in our resume? Number one, now we can start from here. Career objective, right? It's optional. If you fish, you can mention, but try to make it simple, right? And it comes only when you write career objective on your own. When you copy and paste, you lose your brain, right? It's only mechanical things work, right? Your brain does not work over there. So career objective, sit with yourself, consult your friend, consult your TPO, and just try to find out that what should be the career objective, right? Personal information, all required information which is there for job. Fine. Educational qualification, I'm going to talk about each point one by one. Key skills, achievements, co-curricular activities, projects, and paper presentations, right? These are the things. See, this I am not going to talk about, this is not the thumb rule, right? You can change it, you can add it, but more or less generally it is found like this. Fine. Okay. Okay, now it's time to again revive the audience. My question is, when there's a birthday party or a marriage function or a job interview, or you're going to college, right, or you go to park during your holidays, will there be the same uniform or same clothes you will wear? My question is, for all these different occasions, will there be the same clothes or same outfits you will wear? No. Okay, very good. I must appreciate that we have very intelligent people today. Madam, you are lucky. You are dealing with the most intelligent people, right? Great. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 people said no. So should I consider other people saying no or yes? So I'm a man of communication, so I need to have clear communication. I'm here to help you all the way from Gujarat, so I at least expect you people to type something, right? Okay, great, fine. Now the second question is, then why do you have the same resume for all jobs? When there is any call from the company or intimation from TPO, you submit the same resume, isn't it? Why is it so then? You people are smart enough, you people are intelligent enough that you know that company wise, situation wise, right, all the companies are not same, they are different, the requirements are different. Then how come one resume satisfy all the needs of the companies? How can you go with the same resume?
Because we have only the common skills.
Okay, I request you that when you speak, you please speak your name first, so I can identify. Otherwise it will be difficult for me to look at the list of people and find it out, because I want to give you complimentary reverse in written, right? How can I do that? Yeah, can you repeat please?
I am Yashwant, sir. Because everyone have their same skills. We can't change our skills, right?
Okay, Yashwant, let me ask you that, do you have your best friend, right, who is there with you for last 3 years? Are you people the same?
No.
Then how come? See, resume is something, I'm going to have the same thing discussion, that when everybody has similar or same kind of skill sets, when everybody has similar resume, then what is the difference? How you will be picked up? Because when company comes to the campus, they are going to take 1 or 2 people, not more people. Then what will happen? That how will you be able to justify that you are different, you are unique, you should be taken up?
Sir, my name is Sai Priti. We should change the resume with the qualities required by that company.
Right. Okay, Priti, that's a very nice thing. I tell you that I don't tell you to change 360-degree your resume, but there should be little updations. It should be need based. Fine. I guess one student has written something. Skills are same. We showcase our skills in a resume, and skills are what companies look for. Okay. Fine. So I'm going to talk about it also. Anybody else would like to contribute or share or speak on this, comment on this? Else I can go ahead with the next one. If it's clear, even you can say next. I don't mind it. Should I go with the next? Okay, thank you. This is what we do. We have different outfits for different occasions. When we have different occasions, see, basic things remain same, right? But we have little bit changes as per the occasion. In same way, right, there should be little changes, right, that is expected as per the resume. Fine. Okay. This was the question that I asked you. This is the reason. See, everybody has got a basic skills. But thing is that when your classmates, your best friends, when companies come there, they become competitors. All you live together, study together, attend the class together, bunk the class together, enjoy the canteen together. But when companies come, your friends are your rivals, and that's the fact. Nobody can deny that. See, and if everybody has similar or same resume with similar or same skills, what will happen? They will all be stricken off. And that's the reason we need to have somewhere some changes which can make you feel that you are different from others, isn't it? So do you agree with me now? Yes, great. Perfect. Okay, so we can go ahead with the next one, right? This is what is required. This looks little philosophical, and I know that engineers don't like this. They need something to be proven, right? If you can prove it, they will love it, otherwise they'll not believe in it. So what do we mean by this? A golden fish, right? This is something that I'm talking about entire region. When people of your branch, people of your subject across India, there will be 100,000s of people. Out of them, how can you be different? So we need to talk about that. You need to prove that you are unique, you are different, right? And that need-based thing, that that attitude for showing that you are different from others, right? And it is to be proved even by showing the qualities in your resume that will make the difference. So we need to do that one. Fine. There are multiple ways of doing that. We are coming to that point. For example, somebody mentioned that everybody has a common skills, right? Now tell me any one skill that you have in common, or any one unique skill that you have. You can type it in the chat box, or you can speak. I don't mind it. We'll take example of one skill.
Communication skills.
Communication skills. Great.
Reading and writing skills.
Reading and writing skills. Okay. Easy to mingle with others. Okay. I guess that means you are frank enough, right? You're adaptable in a way. You're flexible. Okay. Now, see, these skills are there with everybody. As I mentioned, that everybody has a common set of skills. But now, if you want to talk about communication skills, how would we go for it? For example, you mentioned that you won Times of India public speaking contest, and you have won elocution competitions. You could develop it. So if you can mention that thing, right, you can add on something that will help. And I tell you that there are people, for example, when there is a company for the call center, or there for marketing, they have got major area on marketing, they will definitely go with communication skills. Right? Reading and writing is a basic thing that it is required everywhere, right? But you need to understand that. So skill set which you have, that you need to prove that you have worked on that area, and that is your expertise area, that nobody should be able to beat you in that way. So you need to have at least one and few more for your reference. Yes. Now, what you can mention is your achievements. Now, question is, how would I, as a company, be interested in your achievements? Can anybody tell me your achievement? It can be any co-curricular activities, sports. It can be anything. Yeah.
Sir, I'm Shalini.
Yes.
I am a state level badminton player.
Badminton.
I've won for 2 times.
Okay, badminton player, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sharwani, first of all, congratulations for that. Now tell me, are you from which branch? Computer branch or?
No, sir, electronics and communication.
Okay, electronics and communication, right? Okay. So one company has come, right? They are there. They are looking for experts, right, for EC branch. And you have mentioned that you have won state level championship 2 times in badminton. So how would I be interested to take you?
Because I'm good at managing my time, and they may also consider me because I've put so much effort in winning that competition.
Okay, fine. So that is what you believe, but we need to make that is something where lies the halfway. In communication, we believe that, but we think about it, but we fail to convey. Right now, thing is that with that, if you add one more line, that I represented my college 2 times at state level and won the titles in badminton, and then if you mention that helped me to be physically fit, form strategies, and manage my time aptly. Now they are definitely looking for a person, right? Those who are good in strategy forming, those who are good in time management, those who are physically fit. But you need to mention that with your achievements. Fine. So here my job, my main task is to help you how you can connect your achievements with the requirements, and it varies. So in if there is a company that has come to the campus, right, and in pre-placement talk they have mentioned that they are looking for such kind of criteria, you understand that, okay, what is the requirement, what are the key features, right, or what are the qualities that they are looking for. If you can map with your achievements, that would be great thing, isn't it? Okay. Same way your contribution. After communication skills, one thing that people love, right, as companies, that is leadership qualities. So if you have contributed anywhere, and from class level to college level, university level, or state level, in any of the events, if you have contributed as a volunteer, coordinator, right, you can mention that. But that too, whatever is, for example, there are 10 things, right, go for the best 2, right, because you understand that we have only 30 seconds, not more than 30 seconds to represent ourselves. It's like teaser, within 30 seconds your job should be done. So how we will map our contribution? Any example can I get from you people? Any of your contribution, you have participated or volunteered, coordinated in the event, and how it can be related to the company, or how you can mention in resume.
So this is Shamini.
Yep.
Okay, I've been coordinator for both NSS and sports club in my college, and which has helped me in easily speaking with people, communicating, and working in team. So I could be a good team leader and team worker.
Fine. Okay. See, I tell you that your in PI questions would be there from here. These are the catch points. Fine. So if you mention it properly, right, before you appear for the interview, there will be what we call it. They'll be little bit impressed about your work, and they'll take you positively. Not every time it is possible, but definitely when everybody has not written and you written something, it will definitely work, right? Okay. So this is the same way. Next is hobbies, your passions. How we can connect our hobbies, right? So I have 4 examples over here. One gentleman is doing photography, one is doing is cooking, third madam is busy doing yoga, and fourth one is playing violin. So if you can, anybody can explain. I acknowledge Dr. Srinath Kashyap, and I give my regards to him. Sir, welcome to the session. Yes, can I get anybody from the audience? For example, if I'm good in photography, my hobby is photography, how photography can be useful?
To burst out stress, we need to make good hobbies.
Yashwant, yeah, can you repeat please? I lost you somewhere because of network connectivity.
To burst out stress, we need to make good hobbies in daily life.
Okay. So you can pick any one hobby from here and tell me that how you can present it in your resume.
So I love music. So by choosing one instrument, after a hectic day at work, we can play violin or guitar to burst out our stress and make ourselves peaceful.
Fine.
Our mind will be relaxed.
Okay. Now Yashwant, tell me that if I tell you the same thing and you are HR of the company, will you take me by listening to that?
Maybe.
Yeah, I want to listen to the word yes, right? I tell you how it can be possible. By music is one of my hobbies, and it helps me to concentrate on my work, right? Unless and until I achieve the mastery on the thing that I want to achieve, I don't give up. Now the person who is playing violin, right, his company is not interested to take you, but the person who will never give up and the person who can focus for something for hours, company will definitely take you. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
So we need to see, we need to play with the words in this way. We need to find, we need to represent. It's like buffet. You don't give what you have, you give what is required, right? Presentation, garnishing is important. Fine. Why we love to enjoy lunch and dinner in the hotel? Because of the garnishing, because of the presentation. Our moms, they are great cooks, right, compared to the hotels. But thing is that it is the presentation that makes difference. So we need to understand. So you need to find out what are your hobbies and how you can connect with the requirement of the company. That is important. Clear? If you can write,
Yes.
yeah, if you can write clear in the chat box, I can go ahead. Great. I hope you are not getting bored. Hello? Okay, fine. Thank you. Now look at this. By 7th semester, when you start sitting for any campus, right, you must have done some projects or presentations. See, if you have done a project, if it is related to the company's requirement, you highlight it, you mention it. If there are more than one, if it is only one, you mention it and try to map that what was the learning from it, from your internship, from your project, from your, it can be UDP, IDP, whatever is there, right? From your project, what was the learning, what was take home, and how it can be related to the company. Fine? Can you do that? In that way, you people will definitely win the battle. And I tell you that if you do such kind of things, right, automatically your resume will be unique like you. Okay. Now, whatever I wanted to share, I have shared with you people. Now it's time for you people to share your queries, questions, whatever questions you have, whatever doubts you have, general questions from based on your experience. If you want to ask me, you can ask me. We have spared 5-7 minutes for that.
Hello, sir. This is Sharmini.
Yes, please.
So in starting you spoke about flexibility, right?
Right.
So in that, can we specify about willing to relocate?
Yes,
Like, would that be?
Yes, definitely. For example, if the company which has come for the campus, right, if company has multiple locations, you can mention traveling as one of your hobbies. You love to travel because traveling helps you to be flexible and help you to meet new people, right? So in that way, automatically they will get the idea that you are interested to relocate, right?
Yes, thank you.
Okay. Anybody else? I expect around 10 questions. Or if you don't have any question or queries, you can comment on it. That how did you like the session? What was the important thing that you liked, or which point, which idea, right? Because I have prepared altogether different for you people. I have gone 100% in a different way. It is not at all a traditional way of presenting things, right? So you can tell me either of the things.
Hello, sir. This is Manikumari.
Yes, please.
Sir, if we don't have any achievement till now, it will be good for us or bad?
Okay, fine. So if you don't get frustrated, it is good, right? Because I don't find anybody. I have not found anybody without any achievement. See, it is your point of view. It is your point of view how you take it. Fine. you people have achieved something. For example, when you completed your 12th standard, right, 12th science, that is one of the achievements. I tell you that the people of your age, right, only 2% of the people of your age can cross 8th standard, and out of that 2%, only 1.2% they reach to higher secondary or 12th science, right. If you look at this 123 crore people, out of that there are only less than 5 lakh engineers in India. Isn't that an achievement, right? So Manikumari, I guess that you will have certainly few achievements, right, if you look at it. Fine. The thing is that we need to be clear about one thing, that how it is related or connected with the requirement, right? See, achievement, be it small or big, that let the people decide. You don't decide it.
Okay, thank you.
Fine. Okay. Now tell me about your achievement, Manikumari. Not at all. Achievements are not compulsory. See, these are optional things. Srinath sir.
Sir, if we are mentioning achievements, like, is it compulsory that we have to mention only one or two, or we can exceed the count? Number of achievements.
Yeah, 1 or 2 is good, because you cannot have buffet of achievements. Come on, right? So select the best one and the most relevant one, and you can mention. Fine.
So thank you.
Yeah. Which resume format is best to use? It depends on you. See, I would have given you certain formats, certain layouts, right? But that will, that will ruin the purpose of this session, right? I want people to have your own way to find out how well you can do it. Fine. So you need to find out basic things. It should be sophisticated. It should be simple, right? And bullets, font, right? Whatever things are there, you can go for it. If you refer to this presentation, what presentation I mentioned, that there are minimum things required. You can include those things, and you can go for it. However, you can go to freepik.com. It's a website where you can find lots of resume formats. You write resume and you will find such kind of things. Kirti, 1 page, not more than 2 pages. 1 page, right? Because we don't want to showcase everything to them. Fine. So whatever they can understand within 30 seconds time, you mention that thing only. So if you have extraordinary performance in co-curricular activities, you can mention that. Fine. Otherwise, there is no need to mention that co-curricular activities dash. So don't, you can ignore it.
Sir, this is Kunal. What
Yes.
are the common mistakes we do while preparing a resume?
First thing is you copy, right? You copy from somebody, you download from internet. That's the biggest one. Fine. You don't do that. You can find out the elements. See, there are 2 things. Kunal, do you know about Maggi?
No, sir.
Have you eaten any Maggi or noodles?
Yeah, Maggie. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now, if you look at the the other side of the pack, Maggi, you will find 2 things: ingredients and how to cook.
Yes, sir.
Right. I'm talking about ingredients. These are the things that you require. You cook on your own way. Fine.
Yes.
If you copy from somebody, you are lost. Fine.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Yep. Yeah, expect questions. or any comments? Partially yes. Priti, you need to look at it, because see, our primary requirement is to get selected. And how can we get selected? When we present the things, present our ideas, our achievements, our details as per the requirement of the company. So as I mentioned in the earlier, we don't expect 360-degree changes, but yes, there should be changes, there should be formats, there should be, what we call it, changes as per the need of the company. So we can omit certain things, right, and we can add certain things. That we can add on, as what we call it, we add flavors.
Sir, this is Kunal.
Yes, Kunal.
Sir, while applying for a position, should be the resume colorful or black and white?
I go with black and white. If you wish, you can go with gray and black, that black template, number one. Number two, what you can do is you can get it printed with 100 GSM paper. Fine. So it look, when anybody takes your paper, it would look different, and the print quality and everything would be different. I don't suggest to people that you go with photocopies, that you buy, paying 1 rupee you get 2 photocopies. Don't go with it. When you go with resume, it should be properly, neatly printed, and it should be executive paper or 100 GSM paper, not 70 GSM that generally we get. Yeah, preferred font size, you can have 18, 16, 14, 12. The content, most of the content should be of 12 size, subheadings 14 and 16. This is what ideal things. And don't worry if your resume is of quarter page. It's okay. If the resume is half page or 0.75, does not make difference. If you mention the things as per the requirement, definitely you'll be picked up. They are looking for the engineers, they are not looking for the designers. Fine.
Sir,
Yep.
if I have done my project in ECE stream and if I'm applying in an IT stream, so how can I showcase my project?
Okay, so this is little technical question, because I need to understand what EC and what IT, this two, and what is the project, right? But I guess that in engineering you go with any project, right? They are overlapping, they are interconnected in a way. Fine. So whatever experience you could get by doing that project, right, in EC stream, right, definitely it would have some connection with IT too, right? So you can mention, showcase those things, right? Over here you can take the help of your professors, fine, who are with you for EC or IT stream. They can help you more in that way.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Okay. Yeah, anybody else? So I'll not say thank you or bye. I'll say stay connected, right? I'm going to upload the glimpses of this this session on my YouTube channel for your reference, so you can get it, or you can refer it later on. I have got one question from Kirthi. What are the skills required to be a leader? Right. The one and foremost thing is willingness. There is one beautiful saying in English: when there is a will, there is a way. I believe that when there is a will, there is highway. It depends on your will. Fine. So if you are proactive, if you wish to work for others, if you care for others, definitely you can be a good leader. And those who read, they can lead. So these experiences comes from reading. So you go to the library, find out some books, read it, share with your friends, and try to learn what people share. One day you will find yourself as a good leader. So any comments, feedback, suggestion for the session or questions? Fine, thank you.
So this is Shalini.
Yep.
Thank you for that for the session, sir. It was really informative, and yes, I've realized that I made a few mistakes in my report, and I'll definitely make changes in that. Thank you so much.
Right. Thank you. Thank you. Fine. Over to you, ma'am. I guess ma'am has left, or is ma'am there? Srinath sir, I have.
Hello.
Yes, sir. I have done the job, sir. Over to you, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Fine, fine. How are you?
Fine, excellent, sir.
Yeah. So, how is everything at your end, like college and everything?
Yeah, it's fine, sir. It's almost work from home, sir.
Yeah, fine, fine, sir. So, actually, I'm very happy to hear your voice after long time. It's almost, I think, around 6 months back during March, we had a discussion regarding
Right, sir.
And I actually, I would like to. This is not the time for introduction, but to the audience, I would like to share my experience with Dr. Deepak Masru. He taught me so many things for my life, actually. So, and moreover, in Gujarat, Saurashtra, Rajkot region, I think Saurashtra region we call it as how we have Telangana here. So we have Saurashtra region. So in this Saurashtra region, actually, he is one of the renowned professors and an expert in English language, communication and speaking skills. So he is also member board of studies for Saurashtra University and few more reputed universities in and around Gujarat. And he is a multiple degree holder, I can say. So, and we are, I think, actually, I am very happy that you have shared your entire knowledge and like whatever the things which you have taught in the sessions. I was listening and I was also going through the sessions. So it is all, you're very particular and very clear. Actually, I got some WhatsApp messages also in the meanwhile when your session is going on, like explaining very clearly to the point. And also, I wholeheartedly thank Dr. Deepak Masru for this wonderful session. And we would like to continue the same association with you in the future webinars also, sir. And I request your presence and your presence offline or online, whichever is possible as per your convenience, for the upcoming sessions, like whichever we plan related to English language communication skills further at our KPRIT. And I wholeheartedly thank and actually I would like to welcome for the further sessions.
Fine, definitely, sir. It's all yours. It's a pleasure and privilege to be here with you, right? So it's a mutual. The pleasure is mutual. The privilege is mutual, right? And
Yes, sir.
I'm one call away for you and all your students. If I can make a single change in single student's life, I'll be more than happy. So I'm one call away.
Yes, sir.
That's why I have shared my details. They can
Yes,
get
sir.
in touch with me whenever they wish. right?
Yes,
No,
sir, definitely. I think you have your blog and website also, right?
yes, yes, sir.
Have you shared those details also, sir?
Yes, yes, I have shared
And your
that.
apps, whatever the apps you have designed for the engineers, like
Right,
related to English language communication skills and other. I think you have designed some speaking apps with in Android platform and iOS platform also.
right, sir.
I know. I think so. I would like to. Can you please send those details so that I'll just share it with my students
Fine,
also.
fine, sir. I'll
I think
share.
these apps and all will be useful for them for who students who are planning for further studies, like who want to crack TOEFL,
Right.
IELTS.
Yes, yes.
So especially these are related to the communications and English skills. I mean, these exams are based on those things, right?
Right,
So
right. Definitely, sir. I'll share the details with you, and
yeah,
you can share with the students later on, right, sir?
yes, sir,
And
definitely.
thank
And
you. Yes, sir.
any feedback from the student, like Sherwani, are you there?
Yes, sir. I just gave the feedback.
Yeah, you can. So how was the session?
It was really helpful, sir.
Okay. So,
Because
and I
I didn't
request.
realize that I made so many mistakes in my resume. I just got to know it because of sir. Else I would have continued doing
Okay.
it all the time.
Okay. So whatever, if you want to communicate with Dr. Deepak Bhai in future also, you can communicate directly as he has shared all the contact details. I request all the students related to any English language communication skills and anything you can speak to him directly without any hesitation. He is actually a person who will really guide you in a practical way, right?
Definitely, sir.